Hit level 2, coming up, run on spot. Ready, set, go. Staying light on your toes. We're going fast speed now, so you should be running, not jogging. Using the arms, staying light on your toes, running a fast speed with the knees nice and high. Keep an upright posture, keep your stomach muscles pulled in. 15 seconds gone. Speed up for me, that's 20 seconds. Stay nice and straight with your body, heels shouldn't be touching the floor, staying on your toes. Good. 30 seconds gone. Speed up for me now. Good, keep it going. Use the arms. Abs tight. 20 seconds to go. Coming up, we've got open to close squat jumps. 15 seconds. Full speed, fast as you can, let's go. We're approaching the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good work. Coming up, open to close squat jumps. Start with your feet together. Ready, set, go. Jump out, squat nice and low, and lift your arms up to counterbalance your body. Staying light on your toes. When you squat down, let your heels go flat to the floor. Drop your bottom all the way down till it's in line with your knees. And jump up with your feet together. That's it. Keep your abs engaged. 20 seconds. Good. Keep the speed up. No pausing throughout the exercise. Straight in, straight out, and back to the center. 30 seconds gone. Good. Abs nice and tight. Speed up for the last 20 seconds. Coming up, we've got forward and backward jump. 15 seconds to go. Speed up for me, don't slow down. Abs tight. Squatting all the way down every time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Coming up, forward and backwards jump. Ready, set, go. Stay light on your toes, jump forwards and backwards with your abs tight and your body posture upright. Continual speed, no pausing throughout the exercise. 10 seconds gone. Keep your abs engaged and use your arms to help with momentum. You're past 15 seconds. Stay light on your toes. Good. You're past 20 seconds now. Keep up the speed, keep up the pace. Looking directly forwards. 30 seconds gone. Abs tight throughout the exercise. We're approaching the last 20 seconds. You're doing well, keep it up. Coming up, back lunge to kick. That's 15 seconds to go, speed up for me now. Push it as hard as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, speed up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it going, you're doing well. Okay, back lunge to kick. Ready, set, go. Step backwards, bend the knee, lift up and kick your leg as high as you can. Good. Drop your back knee close to the ground when you do your back lunge. And when you lift your leg up, keep your abs engaged. Continual pace, look directly forwards to help with balance. That's 20 seconds gone. We're switching sides at 30 seconds. Abs nice and tight. Continued pace. Switch sides in 3, 2, 1. Switch. Good. Back lunge nice and low to the ground with the knee. Lift up and kick, keeping the abs tight. Use the arms to help counterbalance. 20 seconds to go. Coming up, burpee without jump. 15 seconds. Looking directly forwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great, past halfway. Coming up, burpee without jump. Ready, set, go. Hands down, jump back, jump up, stand up. Hands down, feet back together, feet up together, stand up and reach the arms to the sky. Good. When you reach up, pull the tummy in. When you jump back, keep the abs tight. 15 seconds. Continued pace. Staying light on your toes. Good. Hands flat, jump back until your body's in a straight line. Stretch up and reach up to the sky. 30 seconds. Keep it going. Good. Keep the abs nice and engaged. We're approaching the last 20 seconds. Stretching up and jumping back, feet together. Mountain climbers is coming up. 15 seconds. Speed up for me now. We're approaching the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work, let's go. Coming up, mountain climbers. Ready, set, go. On your hands and knees, stepping your foot towards the side of your hand and try to get your heel flat to the floor. Keep your abs engaged and your spine straight. That's 10 seconds. Continued pace, alternate legs each time. 15 seconds. It's going to burn the arms, work the upper body and work the core all together. 20 seconds, keep it going. Abs nice and tight, step as high as you can towards your hand. Excellent. 30 seconds gone. Keep pushing it. Good, we're approaching the last 20 seconds. Keep the speed, keep the rhythm, keep the abs tight and the back straight. Coming up, crossover crunch with knee lift. Good, keep pushing it. Approaching the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent, keep pushing. Lying onto your back now. Crossover crunch with knee lift. Ready, set, go. Hands behind the head. Lift one elbow to the opposite knee, engaging your abs and breathing out as you lift up. Good. Remember to breathe out, push the air out of your stomach as you're lifting up. Coming up, crunches with the legs up. 15 seconds. Abs nice and tight. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smashed it. Keep it going. Crunches with the legs up. Ready, set, go. Lift the legs in the air so the knees are above the hips and the ankles in line with the knee. Crunch up, breathing out and engage in the abs as much as you can. We're approaching the last 15 seconds and you're done. Keep the abs engaged, squeeze them. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smashed it. Congratulations, you finished your 7-minute morning workout. Happy hormones are active in your brain that will enhance your motivation, uplift your mood, and improve your focus for the next 24 hours.